seatbelt sign off 한국어입니다. 손님 여러분, 방금 좌석 벨트 표시등이 꺼졌습니다. 그러나 비행기가 갑자기 흔들리는 경우에 대비해 자리에서는 항상 좌석 벨트를 매시기 바랍니다. 그리고 선반을 여실 때는 안에 있는 물건이 떨어지지 않도록 조심해 주십시오. 아울러 여행하신 누적거리에 따라 다양한 혜택을 드리는 대한항공의 스카이패스에 대한 정보는 기내지 모닝캄을 참고해 주시고 회원 가입을 원하시는 분은 승무원에게 말씀해 주시기 바랍니다. 아울러 이 비행기의 1층 뒤쪽에 마련된 면세품 전시 공간에서는 다양한 상품들을 언제든지 직접 보고 안내받으실 수 있습니다. 하늘 위에서 즐겁고 편리한 쇼핑하시기 바랍니다. 감사합니다. 그럼 저와 함께 주의해야 할 단어들을 읽어보겠습니다. 좌석 벨트, 비행기, 다양한 혜택, 대한항공, 회원 가입, 승무원, seatbelt sign off. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins as the contents may have shifted during the flight. SkyPass is Korean Air's frequent flyer program that provides our valued customers with travel rewards and special benefits. For more information, you may refer to the Morning.com magazine. If you wish to join, please ask our cabin crew. On this aircraft, there is a duty-free showcase located at the end of the main deck. We hope you enjoy this unique sky shopping experience. Thank you. 그럼 저와 함께 주의해야 할 단어와 문장을 읽어보겠습니다. Captain, turned off, seatbelt sign. The captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Recommend, seatbelt fastened. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened. Be careful. Please be careful. Opening the overhead bins. Contents. Shifted. When opening the overhead bins, as the contents may have shifted during the flight. Korean Air's frequent flyer program provides valued customers travel awards, special benefits. SkyPass is Korean Air's frequent flyer program that provides our valued customers with travel awards and special benefits. Information. Morning.com Magazine. For more information, you may refer to the Morning.com magazine. Join. Cabin crew. If you wish to join, please ask our cabin crew. Aircraft. Duty-free showcase. At the end of the main deck. On this aircraft, there is a duty-free showcase located at the end of the main dock. Unique. Sky shopping. Experience. We hope you enjoy this unique sky shopping experience. 수고하셨습니다.